When you're hosting a big family dinner, preparing a meal for a potluck, or planning a party, having the right cookware is crucial to making your event a success. This Hamilton Beach 10-quart slow cooker, designed specifically for large gatherings and hassle-free meal prep. Whether you're cooking a 10-pound turkey or a 12-pound roast, this extra-large slow cooker makes it easier than ever to prepare a satisfying meal for a crowd. Gone are the days of juggling multiple pots or worrying about running out of space. With this stay-or-go portable slow cooker, you can effortlessly prepare large meals that are not only flavorful, but also easy to transport. The lid lock feature ensures that your food stays secure and spill-free, no matter where you're taking it. In this review, we'll dive into all the features that make this slow cooker a must-have for anyone who regularly entertains guests or feeds a large family. If you're on the hunt for a slow cooker that offers versatility, convenience, and easy cleanup, keep reading to see why the Hamilton Beach 10-quart slow cooker might be the perfect fit for your kitchen. Why you'll love the Hamilton Beach 10-quart slow cooker. The 10-quart capacity of this slow cooker is perfect for preparing meals for large groups. Whether you're hosting a family dinner, a holiday feast, or a potluck, you'll never have to worry about running out of food or making multiple batches. This slow cooker can fit a 10-pound turkey or 12-pound roast, making it ideal for preparing substantial meals in a single vessel. Feeds 12-plus people. Ideal for large families, parties, or special occasions. Fits a 10-pound turkey or 12-pound roast. Large cuts of meat cooked to perfection with ample space. One of the standout features of the Hamilton Beach 10-quart slow cooker is the stay-or-go lid lock, designed to prevent messy spills during transport. If you're taking your food to a gathering or event, you won't have to worry about hot, messy spills ruining your day. The lid securely clips into place, ensuring that your meal stays intact while you're on the move. Tight lid lock keeps the lid securely in place during transportation. Spill-proof design, ideal for family gatherings, tailgates, potlucks, or parties. The Hamilton Beach 10-quart slow cooker makes cooking flavorful meals easier than ever with its simple dial controls. You don't have to be a professional chef to make incredible meals. Just choose your heat setting, low, high, or warm, and let the slow cooker do all the work. Whether you're cooking a stew, soup, chili, or roast, this slow cooker ensures that your food is cooked to perfection with minimal effort. Once your food is cooked, the warm setting ensures that it stays at the ideal serving temperature without overcooking. Whether you're preparing meals ahead of time or waiting for guests to arrive, the Hamilton Beach 10-quart slow cooker makes it easy to keep your food warm and ready to serve. You can rest assured that your meal will stay hot, flavorful, and ready for your guests to enjoy. When cooking for a crowd, the last thing you want is a slow cooker that's difficult to carry. The Hamilton Beach 10-quart slow cooker comes with full grip handles that make it easy to lift, carry, and serve. Whether you're bringing it to the dining table or moving it from the kitchen to the car, the sturdy handles make transportation a breeze. No one wants to spend hours scrubbing after cooking for a large crowd, which is why the Hamilton Beach 10-quart slow cooker features a removable stoneware crock and a glass lid, both of which are dishwasher safe. Cleanup becomes a snap. Just remove the stoneware insert and lid, place them in the dishwasher, and you're done. This means you can spend more time enjoying your meal and less time cleaning up afterward. Why this slow cooker is perfect for you. The Hamilton Beach 10-quart slow cooker is more than just a cooking appliance. It's the ultimate solution for stress-free, flavorful cooking that's perfect for large families or gatherings. Its simple controls, spacious capacity, and spill-proof lid lock make it ideal for anyone who loves to entertain or cook large meals. Whether you're making a holiday feast or a weekly meal for a big family, this slow cooker is designed to handle it all. If you're tired of juggling multiple pots or struggling with small slow cookers that can't handle big meals, this 10-quart slow cooker will be your new best friend. With its user-friendly design, easy cleanup, and ability to cook for a crowd, it takes the hassle out of cooking and helps you serve delicious meals without the stress. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.